Emergency officials in Turkey are working to extinguish 5 wildfires across that country that have forced over 100 people to evacuate their homes. Strong winds and low humidity have reportedly made it difficult for firefighting crews to contain the blaze. Authorities say these wind speeds have reached up to 60 kilometers per hour in some impacted areas. The country's forestry minister added at least one of the wildfires was started by 3 people on a picnic. Turkey's coastal regions have been ravaged by unprecedented wildfires in recent years as temperatures have continued to increase.